hi. I feel I want. Are you see actually this birds? This bird is really me before when I want to praying with God, and ghost flew me. This bird is this same bird is who learn human Qabil and Habil when they kill each other. Someone die. He learn him how he can make his body under the earth. This bird is smart. So many was around me in winter, alone, okay? I was thinking this time I'm Musa. Nothing, Danny. I'm nothing, but this happened, okay? This bird is, you see? I remember. غراب. This. Ashley, how are you?